Hi, I am Piyush Gupta, founder of Kanha.
Hi, I'm Kanha Gupta, the owner of Kanha.
We began our journey in 2010. We manufacture essential oils, fragrances, diffuser oils, hydrosols, oleoresins, resin oils, industrial perfume compounds, and allied products.
Every formula is perfected in-house. Our lab ensures uncompromised quality.
We craft high-value essential oils using finest ingredients.
Men are more than products. They are an experience of refinement.
Whispers of elegance in every note.